So we've been working in Unity with this first-person controller, which is really good for loads and loads of games. Works really well. I'm going to show you how to do a third person right now as well, because that works in a different way for different games. Can be really effective. So I'm going to go into here, delete my FPS controller, and in the standard assets under characters, first person, third person, same thing, go into the prefabricated things. We've got AI third person and third person. AI is if you want to have an NPC that you control through a script. We're not doing that just now. I'm going to drag that into my world, and there is my third person character. Now this is Ethan, so say hi to Ethan. Ethan is a nice, well-crafted 3D model, and if I hit play, let's just check that this works. Uh, there's Ethan down the bottom there, and Ethan can run around and jump and do stuff. But obviously, there's a bit of an issue here that he can easily just kind of run off the screen, and it's just not easy to see what he's doing at any given point. So we want a camera that follows him around like in just every other third-person game. Show you how to do that. So I've already got this camera in the scene. If I double click on that, there it is. That's where we were looking from. What I'm going to do is make this camera always follow behind the third person controller. And the way we do that is there's a script which is set to do that. So if I click on the main camera, go down to here, add a component. Actually, I've already done it, but so I'll just delete that and remove component and add it just to prove my point. So add component, type in smooth follow, and it's in the scripts. It's a smooth follow script. And the script needs something to follow, so we're just going to drag Ethan over onto it, the target. Distance and height, these are default values, which you'll probably need to tweak. We'll just see what they look like. The rotation damping as well, 0 and 0. Rotation and height damping just do not work. Try 2 and 2. You might want to tweak around with those and see if you get something that feels better. If I hit play now and see what Ethan feels like. So I'm behind Ethan, so at least I can see what's going on. You'd think I'd be able to get up that slope, and there you go. But too far away, so let's just fix that. So I'm going to say distance 3, height 2. I don't know. See what that feels like. Hit play again. So the camera kind of follows him behind him. That's not too bad. That's playable. It's good enough. I mean, it's actually really hard to get the camera to uh, behave exactly as you want. I'm sure you've played in games where the camera is just a pain, gets stuck in scenery, doesn't show you what you want to see, all that kind of thing. It's hard, even if you're a professional developer, it's a hard thing to do. And we're just trying to throw stuff together just to get things working. So we'll just compromise. All right, that's third person character, smooth follow script.